Gallstone surgery is one of the most common performance surgeries there is today. In this video, you will find out the best natural treatment to prevent and treat gallstones. Our gallbladder plays a very important role in our health, and we don't even think about it. However, if it weren't for this pear-shaped organ, our digestive system wouldn't function correctly. Bile, the substance that helps digest fat, is stored in our gallbladder. Whenever the amount of water and bile become unbalanced in your body, calcium and cholesterol crystals form and build up, originating what is called cholelithiasis or gallstones. This gallstone may not show any symptom, but some people report intense and continuous pain, in addition to nausea and vomiting. In nature, we find several ingredients that can not only help prevent, also treat some cases of gallstones. Here are some of them. Apple cider vinegar. The malic acid in the apple acts as a softener and stops the liver production of cholesterol, in addition to help to dissolve the stones little by little. A tablespoon of vinegar in a glass of apple juice. Take it whenever you're in pain. Vegetable juices. Many vegetables have a benefit effect in the treatment of gallstones. A good way to use them is to include juices made with vegetables in your diet. Vegetables such as beet, cucumbers, and carrot strengthen gallbladder function and stimulate production of bile. Lemon juice. Vitamin C deficiency has been linked to a higher incidence of gallstones. Being rich in this substance, regular consumption of lemon is helpful in preventing the onset of gallstones. Lemons are also rich in citric acid and contribute to reducing gallbladder calcification and cholesterol production. You can drink the juice from 4 lemons on an empty stomach for a week. It also recommended that you drink plenty of water after ingesting the juice. Mint. Mint is rich in terpene, a substance that stimulates the production of bile juices, which helps to lessen the effects of gallstones and even dissolve some of them. You can get this benefit by making a tea with mint leaf. Drink it twice a day for a month. Dandelion. Because of their high diuretic and depurative power, dandelion are a great alternative because it makes gallbladder work better. Avoid bile stones. This tea also helps dissolve the stones naturally. You can make a tea with dried dandelion root. It's recommended that you take it 3 times a day for a week. That is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Hey everybody, if it is the first time you just watch this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to the channel to make sure you won't miss the new release video.